Hi guys, this is intermittent fasting formula. Discover the secret diet protocol for sustainable and rapid weight loss without having to ban your favorite food and kill your metabolism. Intermittent fasting formula. If you want to get ripped, burn stubborn belly fats and improve overall health quickly, then this is the solution that you have been waiting for. Do you know the real reason why you were struggling to lose weight? Think about it. So I am introducing intermittent fasting formula, diet protocol for extreme weight loss. Here are some of the topics uncovered inside this transformation program. This is the golden key for those who want to lose weight fast without sacrificing their favorite food, achieve the best physique first, get started with healthy living, break the weight loss plateau, live a longer and healthier life, look good and feel better in their own skin, increase the self-esteem and build self-confidence, be in a more positive, creative, high energy and motivated state. Here is the good news. Instead of charging this life-changing program at a ridiculous price, I'm offering you a discount if you act right now for only 21 USD, only 20 USD. By now, 100% guaranteed. If you get intermittent fasting formula right now, you will get these bonuses. Check here, complete checklist. Bonus 2. You have only 3 options right now. Option A, do nothing. Option B, look for other solutions. Option C, get the intermittent fasting formula. Plus, if by 30 days you don't like what you get from the intermittent fasting formula, you can ask for 100% of your money back. You have everything to gain and nothing to lose by this offer. Take advantage of this offer by clicking on the button below. I am giving the link in description below, so check there to get it and to grab this. Thanks for watching my videos.